Thank you for visiting Quick and Easy Meals. On this channel, we share meal ideas that are quick and easy and that most anyone can perform. Stay tuned for today's feature, chicken spaghetti. Let's go over the ingredients for today's meal, chicken spaghetti. First we have cheese, cheddar cheese off the block. Then we have angel hair spaghetti. And we have diced tomatoes. We have optional Italian seasoning, or you can just stick with salt and pepper. Then we have cream of chicken. Then we have mushrooms, it's going to be drained. And we have chicken that's going to be cut up into smaller pieces, chicken breast. All right, so that's your ingredients. Let's get started on this quick and easy meal. Takes about 3 steps. And the first step is boiling the spaghetti. Now that you got your water boiling, it's time to put your angel spaghetti into the pot. Whatever you think is amount based on how many people will be eating. This recipe is based on 6 people. So I will put this in here. I could have broke them in half, but we'll let them cook in here for about 8 minutes. In the meantime, we'll get the chicken going, and that's step 2. Cooking the chicken is step 2, and we're almost done. So we'll let this go ahead and cook for about 8 minutes, and then we'll get started with the chicken. We added a little bit of salt to this. It's not quite done, another couple minutes, but we'll let this continue to cook as we prepare the chicken and get that cooking, because that's going to take a little bit of time. But then we'll drain this, add a little bit of butter, and then we'll put it all together. Step 2, we'll add a little olive oil, and then we will add about 2 pounds of chicken and get that all cooking up. And this is step 2. Now that you got the chicken pretty well cooked, you can add your Italian seasoning or just salt and pepper and get that all good. Just let it cook a little bit longer. And this is step 2. The next step is to combine all your ingredients and make your spaghetti. Now that we've drained the noodles, we will reintroduce those noodles back into the pan and begin to add our ingredient to the noodles. We'll start off with the tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Then we'll add the soup, the cream of chicken soup. And we'll keep this on low heat and combine all these ingredients together. This is step 3. Then we'll add the mushrooms that were drained. So we'll add the mushrooms. And we'll get that all going before we'll finally add in the chicken. Next, we want to add in our cheese till it gets melted. So we want to get that in there, get that all stirred up. Now as the cheese gets melted, then you want to add in your chicken and get that all mixed up in there, and you're nearly done. This is the final step of your quick and easy meal. Get that all mixed up in there as good as you can. We'll put this all in a 9 by 13 dish and it's ready for serving. Just let that cook a little, simmer it in. Now that the chicken spaghetti is completed, now we want to prepare it and put it in the serving dish before we prepare it for dinner. Okay, and your quick and easy dinner is served. You got your oven roasted vegetables, your chicken spaghetti, and your garlic bread. It's awesome. I hope you enjoy this, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel. I hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe.